I enjoy mini sushi, small sushi. It is so cute and easy to cook. So please try it, okay? Let's enjoy cooking.
First of all, I introduce the ingredient I use today. For sushi rice, vinegar, sugar, and salt. For toppings, green onions, onion, avocado, salmon, beef, canned tuna, kimchi, and seaweed. The seasonings are mayonnaise, black pepper, soy sauce, and salt. First, make the sushi rice. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Add vinegar for sushi rice to 2 cups of rice. Mix well. Be careful not to crush the rice garnish at this time. The sushi rice is completed. Cover it with a cloth and let the rice rest. Next, cut the ingredients. Cut the green onion roots. Cut the green onion into rings. Onions can be stored in a container and frozen for about a month. Next, remove the inedible parts of the onion. Today, I use 1/4 of an onion. Slice it thinly. Next, cut the avocado in half. Remove the seed and skin. Cut the avocado half into small cubes. Slice the other half of the avocado into 5mm slices. Cut prosciutto in half lengthwise. I use 4 slices of prosciutto today. Thinly slice half the salmon. Cut the other half of the salmon into small cubes. Cut beef into cubes. Chop the kimchi. All ingredients have been prepared. Make the ingredients. Place the diced avocado and salmon in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix. Add a little salt and mix it. Salmon avocado mayo is completed. Next, use a sieve to remove excess oil from the canned tuna. Place 1 by 2 of the tuna in each of the 2 containers. In one container, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix. The tuna mayo is completed. In other container, add 20 grams of kimchi and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and mix it. The tuna kimchi is completed. Heat a frying pan. Add beef to the pan and fry. When the beef is lightly cooked, add black pepper and soy sauce and mix it. When the water is gone, turn off the heat. All toppings are ready. Make a base for mini sushi. Spread out the large plastic wrap. Place the sushi rice horizontally on the plastic wrap. Wrap the rice in plastic wrap and form it into a stick shape. Press the rice from the top, bottom, left and right to form it into a stick shape. It is important to set the rice firmly. When the rice becomes a stick, cut the rice from the top of the plastic wrap. Cut it into stripes about 30 mm wide. The mini sushi base is ready. Form the rest of the rice into sticks using plastic wrap. Cut the stick-shaped sushi rice into 30 mm pieces with a knife. Cut the silhouette with scissors. Cut in half lengthwise. Cut it in half again. Finally, cut it in half horizontally. Cut the silhouette into stripes about 30mm and 100mm. Place the mini sushi base on the plate. Wrap the side of it with silhouette. Place the ingredient on top of the mini sushi. Finally, add toppings and it's done. I explain them one by one. First, avocado salmon mayo sushi. Wrap silhouette around the mini sushi base. Place the avocado salmon mayo on top. Finally, sprinkle with black pepper. Avocado salmon mayo sushi is completed. Next, tuna mayo sushi. Wrap silhouette around the sushi base and put tuna mayonnaise on top. Finally, add black pepper. The tuna mayo sushi is completed. Next, kimchi mayo sushi. Put kimchi mayonnaise on the sushi base. The kimchi mayo sushi is completed. Next, onion salmon sushi. Place 3 slices of salmon on sushi base. Place the onion on top of the salmon. Finally, add mayonnaise. Compilation of onion salmon sushi. Next, avocado prosciutto ham sushi. Place 3 slices of avocado on the sushi base. On top of that, roll the prosciutto and put it on. It's cute to make the prosciutto into a flower shape. Finally, add mayonnaise. Compilation of avocado prosciutto ham sushi. Finally, steak sushi. Place the beef on top of the sushi base. Place the green onion on it. The steak sushi is completed. 6 types of original mini sushi have been completed. Today, I made my own original sushi, not traditional Japanese sushi. I came up with a sushi recipe that used ingredients that can be purchased in countries other than Japan. In Japan, sushi rice with silhouette wrapped around it is called gunkan sushi. Today, I made mini gunkan sushi. If you have any sushi you want me to make, please tell me in the comment.
Thank you for your viewing. How was small sushi? It is easy to cook and so cute and so delicious. So please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and tap like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week.